How to import a Sketchup file into AutoCAD. First, go to Google and look for the plugin. Go to the AutoCAD website and look for the installation of the Sketchup plugin. Install the plugin and add it into Sketchup. Fire up Sketchup. Open up a new blank page and then click on Add-ins on the upper left corner on the Tabs menu above the blank page. Click on Import SKP. Find your file and import it into AutoCAD. Once imported, you will see the plan, top view of the file. I used the 3D view to rotate the file. In actuality, this file was an AutoCAD file edited and rendered in SketchUp and saved as a .skp file. Keep in mind that this video is intended primarily to show the import of SketchUp into AutoCAD. Thank you.